So you're looking to launch your own token on Base. This video will be your guide, showcasing not just the steps involved, but also equipping you with insightful tips and tricks for a triumphant launch. To kick things off, the nature of your token needs definition. Will it be a whimsical Memecoin, buzzing through the community with humor, or a utility token, grounded in real-world assets or a Web3 project? Once your vision is clear, head over to AlienBase and navigate to the Token Generator section. Connecting your wallet, top right, and ensuring you have the requisite Ethereum on Base, 0.015 ETH for the service fee, plus a bit more for gas, the equivalent of $5, is crucial. Next, christen your token. In this walkthrough, we'll birth Alien Pepe, a nod to a cosmos where cryptos rule, and this token reigns as the extraterrestrial cousin of the famed Memecoin, Pepe. Deciding on a ticker, the concise symbol representing your token is next. Whether it's Alien Pepe or Al Pepe, pick something memorable and swift to spot. Moving forward, decide on the token's capabilities. Mintable, for those aiming to eventually make the token farmable or burnable, to potentially decrease supply and enhance value, though proceed with caution, as each has its implications. Choosing your token's total supply is your next step. Aiming high, like billions in the vein of successful memecoins such as Doge or Pepe, makes each token more accessible price-wise. Finally, choose whether you want to add transaction taxes or fees, which can serve as a revenue stream for marketing efforts and future developments. In our case, I'll be adding a 1% tax. When you choose to add taxes to your token, you'll need to specify how much of the collected goes to your wallet and how much goes back to the pool. In this case, I'll choose 50% of taxes to go to my wallet and 50% back to the pool, and I will later use the 50% taxes collected to fund advertisements and marketing to gather more awareness about my token and attract new investors. Keep in mind the token you use to deploy the generator will be the one receiving the taxes. With your token's blueprint finalized, it's time to deploy. Ensure your wallet is prepped with at least 0.17 Ethereum to cover all fees. Post-approval of the transaction, token generation is a matter of minutes. You'll soon be able to integrate the token into your wallet or directly add it to MetaMask for ease. Now it's time to make the token tradable. And in order to do so, we need to create a pool which will allow us to pair our coin with Ethereum. To do so, head over to the Pools page, click Create Pool. Now choose your newly created token from the list and Ethereum on the other side. If your token doesn't show in the list, you can copy the contract address of the token and then paste in the search bar, and your token will show up. Choose V2 to have a standard 50-50 pair and click Continue. In this section, we will add the liquidity from our wallet into the pool. This will allow us to also set the initial price of the token. You always want the initial liquidity to be high when it comes to Ethereum, ideally $1,500 worth of Ethereum, and then choose how many of your tokens you want to add to the pool. Of course, the best practice would be to add all, or at least 90% of the tokens to the pool. Should your tokenomics include reserving a portion for the team or allocating funds for future marketing and project development, it's crucial to plan strategically. In this case, I'll add all my tokens to increase trust in my project and not scare degens away, who might worry about potential sell-offs affecting the token's price negatively. Now click Approve to allow the contracts to use your tokens, and then approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the approval has been made, click Preview Supply and approve once again the transaction in your wallet, this time to launch the pool. Congratulations! You just launched your token and it is now tradable on Base. In part 2 of this tutorial, we'll go through the checklist to ensure maximum exposure to your token.